Opening Oracle VirtualBox. Then I'm starting the CentOS 7. Yeah, this is the kernel version, guys. What this is? So CentOS Linux 3.10.0. That is the kernel version. Okay. So kernel is a mediator between hardware and the OS. Kernel is the heart of the OS. Right, guys? How to check the root? What is the password? Password is that I have IPA. I'm connecting to this server through PuTTY. How we can connect? Today I will discuss it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So where we are keeping our servers, guys? So where we are keeping our servers? We are keeping our servers in the data center. What is that phrase? So where we are keeping our servers in the data center only. Right. So this is the physical server. So this is a physical server and this is the virtual server. Okay. So in the virtual server, what we installed the OVM and we installed the CentOS 7. CentOS 7 on this one. So the IP address is 192.168.56.111. Right. I want to connect this server. Where your data set, where your data center is located? Your data center is located in the Mumbai region. Which region, guys? Your data center is located in the Mumbai region. Okay. So this is the Linux, right? So you want to connect the Linux server from the Linux machine. So both are the same platforms or cross platforms, guys. So this is the Linux and this is the Linux. Okay. It will be very easy to connect. How we can connect from Linux to Linux, Linux to Linux. So we can connect through SSH protocol, port number 22. So which protocol, guys? SSH protocol, port number 22, we can connect it. Right. The same way, this is the same class form. So for example, in our data center, there is a Windows server and you are using a Windows server. You are using a Windows machine. Right. It will be very easy to connect, right? It will be very easy to connect, right? Because of this is the Windows server and this is a Windows machine. So we can connect by using which protocol, guys? RDP protocol. So RDP protocol. For example, I'm using Windows machine. I can connect by using MSTSC. So you see, guys, so remote desktop. So if I give the so if I give the IP address same like 192.168.56.111. If it is a Windows server, it will connect. By because of it, why it is not connecting? Because of it is a Linux server, right? Windows to Windows we can connect easily. Linux to Linux we can connect easily. For example, this is your Linux server. So which laptop are you using, guys? Which laptop are you using,
Windows.
guys? Windows 10, 11, right? Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what this is? This is a Linux server. So what is this? This Linux server, CentOS server. You want to connect this CentOS server. You want to connect this CentOS server on Windows machine. These are the same platforms or class platforms, guys. Both are same platforms, are Linux and Windows? No. So both are cross platforms. We are unable to connect to the Linux machine in the Windows machine. Right, guys? So I want to connect my Linux server in my Windows machine. How we can connect? So some of the companies provided the third-party tools. What are those guys? Third-party tools. So what are the third-party tools? Third-party tools. So they are providing the SSH access. What are those? PuTTY, MOBA Extreme, M Remote NG, and Super PuTTY, Git Bash. Okay, we can use all these third-party softwares. We can use all these third-party softwares and we can connect it. And so we can connect it. So I want to install the Git, guys. I want to install the PuTTY, right? I want to install the PuTTY on this server. PuTTY download. You guys can download the PuTTY. PuTTY. Download PuTTY. So download it here. And this is the 64-bit, right? So this is the x86 64-bit x86. You guys can download this one. It will download. So once it is downloaded, right, you just next. It will install, guys. Okay. What is that? PuTTY is the third party to provide the SSH access. What is this? This is the PuTTY. This is the PuTTY. What they are providing? They are providing the SSH access and the port number. So if you want to connect the Linux machine, what you need, guys? You need a what you need? You need a SSH access. SSH is nothing but a secure shell, guys. What SSH? SSH is nothing but a secure shell. So what is the IP address? 192.168. So 56.111. Okay. Appearance, I want to change the font size. Bold 18. Okay. Open. Okay. So what is the username? Username is root. Password is Red Hat. Guys, understood? Username is root. Password is Red Hat. Understood, right? Yeah. How you are connecting? For example, your machine is in Windows. Your machine is in Mumbai region. Now you are in the Hyderabad region, and you connected the server from. So you connected the server from Mumbai to Hyderabad. How it possible? Because of Guys, because of networking. Which protocol? SSH protocol. What is that? SSH is nothing but a secure shell. Secure shell. Understood, right, guys? So RDP is nothing but a remote desktop protocol. So for Windows to Windows, we can use the RDP. For Linux to Linux, we can use SSH. For Linux to Windows, we can use the third-party tools like these guys. So we can use the third-party PuTTY, Mobile Extreme, Yum Remote, NG, Super PuTTY, Git Bash, whatever it may be, guys. You can use it and you can connect it. For example, Git Bash. For example, Git Bash. What this is? So this is the Git Bash, guys. So I want to connect the server. SSH hyphen B port number root at the rate. So 192.168.56.311. Okay. What is the password? Ready, guys. Now it's opened, right? So root vbox. So it is opened the server. Guys, understood? So we use mobile extreme remote ng super putty. Also we can use it and we can connect the Linux server on Windows machine. Guys, understood? Speak out, guys. Guys,
Yes, sir.
understood? Very good. Thank you. So this is the way you guys can connect the server.